What's poppin' guys, my name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 16 tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to create a clone effect, but that's gonna be next levels. I know over the past couple of years, I made multiple videos about how to clone yourself. It's always the same concept, but this kind of cloning, I've never done it before. So if you guys... I need my sunglasses.
What do you need?
I'll go.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay guys, so if you guys are excited for this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and I would say let's get started right after the intro. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, we are in Vegas Pro 16 and I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how to recreate this amazing effect that you guys have seen in the intro. Basically, what we want to do is, first of all, like always, boot up Vegas Pro. I'm going to also explain to you guys how to film this. So the first thing that you want to do, and maybe that's something you noticed or maybe you didn't. So the first thing you need to do is have two video clips. One is the first one of you sitting in front of a green screen in your set. You're going to sit in your chair and you have a green screen behind you of the exact same room, and you want to do everything in one take. Let's go ahead and say that we will actually, for example, like do our intro. Then what we need to do is we also want to set the lighting to manual, because we don't want to have a clip of us talking to the camera be a lot brighter than the person coming back, or your clone coming into the background, like a lot darker. So what you want to do then is just do your intro, pretend that you're talking to the guy that's coming in the door. That's what I did as well. So the first thing what you need to do is do that. And then you just want to also remove the green screen, remove your chair and any other objects that are in the screen. So then you just want to pretend that you will just forgot something. And this is just me walking in and pretending that I forgot my sunglasses, and then I'm just acting like an idiot, as you can see right there, and then I'm just leaving. So that's basically how it's done. So now what we need to do is first drag in both clips, and we're going to have the green screen clip on top. Now what we need to do, it is really important, is right click, properties, click on disable resample, and you want to also do that for the second track, like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add in a little bit more brightness and contrast. So we're going to go into the video effects tab. Then we're going to scroll down until we see brightness and contrast, and I also have just a video template that I'm going to apply onto it, which is going to apply a little bit more contrast, as you can see, like that. And we're going to also do that for the bottom track. Alright, so the next thing that we need to do is we need to mask ourselves out so we will be transparent. So now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the event pan crop icon of the green screen track. Then we're going to hit mask at the bottom, but we're not going to select, for example, the rectangle square mask creation tool. We're going to pick the anchor creation tool. We're going to just go ahead and go around ourselves in the green screen. Make sure that we'll just go across the entire green part like that. And then what we need to do is just go ahead and go across the entire green screen, just go on outside of the screen like that, and then just make them cross like that. Boom. Okay, so now that we've masked out ourselves, we need to remove the green. So right now we're going to scroll down until we see the chroma key feature, which is under the video effects tab. So let's see, right here we have chroma key. Let's drag on the default clip onto, well, the default preset onto the green screen clip, and we're going to uncheck the chroma key for a second, then click on this blue bar, pick this pencil icon, and pick a nice green part like that. Now what we need to do is recheck the chroma key, but we need to optimize a couple things. Drag down the high threshold like that, and then we're going to bring up the low threshold, as you can see. So now you want to do that much until the background is gone. Okay, so right now, as you can see, it seems that we're just sitting in front of our computer without a green screen in the room itself, but we're actually sitting in front of a green screen. And that's the trick, because you don't want to move your camera a single inch when you want to do this, otherwise you're going to see the difference if you lower the opacity. Because if I lower this up, if you pay attention to the background, everything is just the same. So now that we have actually cropped out ourselves, we're going to put on our headphones, because we're going to time it when I'm going to cough at the back, and then when I'm just talking and getting interrupted. So let me put on my headphones. Alright, let's see, let's time it. So I'm gonna cut it right here. What's poppin' guys, my name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 16 tutorial. In this cloning, I've never done it before. So if you got... So as you can see, that's where I'm pretending to be interrupted. So now I'm gonna just trim this guy down until I'm just peeking in the door and I'm cuffing. Like that. Okay, so let's time it.
Before. So if you got
that looks perfect.
Before. So if you got
that's a little bit too late, so I'm just gonna align it.
Before. So if you got I need
as you can see,
I need my sunglasses. What do you need? I'll go.
But as you can see, I'm just looking right there. I'm just going, I just want to follow that character by looking right there. But it doesn't match because I'm already there, as you can see, taking the sunglasses, but I'm still looking to the right. So what we need to do is we need to cut it. So right there, I'm just standing still. And then I'm just going to time it until I'm looking to the back side.
I need my sunglasses. What do you need?
Like that, then I'm going to time it.
I need my sunglasses. What do you need?
That's what it looks like.
What do you need?
Look, I'm following it.
I'll go.
And then I'm just cutting again, as you can see.
Alright. Okay guys, so if you guys were excited for this tutorial, make sure...
Alright guys, so that's basically how to do it. This is basically how you can actually remove the green screen, as you can see that you're sitting in front of, just pretending that you're on the background and then just act like your clone is coming in and doing the same stuff. And I know I'm like wearing different clothes, but that's just, you guys get the idea. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and if you want to see more of those awesome advanced tutorials, and also drop a like if you're excited because Vegas Pro 17 is on its way. So guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Are you a content creator looking for effects to bring your videos to a whole new level?
Welcome to Production Crate.
Production Crate is the resource for graphics, visual effects, music, and much more. On top of that, these assets are compatible with your editing software. Get your unlimited free effects today or premium effects for only $49 a year. Make it awesome.